Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Essential. In this guide, I will show you the easiest and most efficient way to transfer media from your iPhone to your Mac. So, follow the steps very carefully. Use the Photos app on Mac by connecting your iPhone via cable or AirDrop for wireless transfers. For a full backup, utilize Finder or iCloud. Open the Photos app, select the media you want, and click Import. For AirDrop, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Enable AirDrop and share files directly. These methods are fast, secure, and straightforward. Thank you for watching and follow Knowledge Essential for more tips and guides.